this pile of maple stacked right there, and we're gonna cut a little bit of wood. Let's get right into the show. Easiest way to stack wood: get yourself a pallet, lay it like this, get another one, stand it up. You can either nail it together, which takes a little more time, or you can throw a couple heavy pieces of wood behind it. And I got like a 2x4 here, so when you got your wood stacked up, pushes back, and that's not going nowhere. That's how I did all these, and they've been stacked for over a year and a half and nothing's fallen. Got the fresh split stuff stacked. Now I'm gonna get all this junk in my truck.